Hey there everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I replace my golf spikes that I've never replaced before since I've owned these shoes, and I've owned them for about 5 years, maybe longer. I can't really remember when I purchased them, but they're very worn down, very uneven spikes. As you can see, some are completely missing and some are not. But what you're going to need is about a 1/8 inch drill bit, a spike removal tool, which you can find on Amazon or in your local sporting goods store. The one that I have comes with two bits, that piece right there, and then the one that's already installed. Um, the one that I just popped out of that little holding area, I don't need, so I'm not going to use it. Um, and then you have the option to use your screw gun, and that's only if your spikes are really bad and you cannot get your tool into the two holes that are provided on the spikes. Mine were pretty bad, but they weren't so bad to where I needed to use the drill. So what I did was I just took my drill bit and used my fingers and twisted all the dirt and all the nasty stuff that gets packed in there over time, and basically just drilled down to a point where I thought I hit the rubber. And the main reason for this is just so you can get your tool in there, obviously. And these are going to turn counterclockwise. And you're going to need to apply quite a bit of pressure, and they should just pop right out. Now I've seen other people that have stripped their holes, and they actually needed to drill slightly into the golf spike plastic just so they could get a better grip. And if that's the case, then yeah, you will need to use your screw gun. So in this one, I have a rock jammed in there, which it's making it kind of a pain in the butt. So I needed to use a smaller drill bit to actually get it out. I eventually get it out. You wouldn't really want to drill into a rock because you're probably going to damage your drill bit. But I got it out, and now I just get the rest of the junk out. And again, apply a lot of pressure and twist. Okay, so now I have a problem spike and I need to use a drill like you're seeing here, but I accidentally drilled slightly too deep, and you'll be able to see once I actually remove the spike. It's super hard to actually figure out how deep you need to go, but it doesn't do that much damage. So you can see my my silver spike removal tool through my cleat. You can see the 2 pins there. And then I accidentally nicked the socket area. But it's not that big of a deal because the spike went in nicely. This one, it wasn't as difficult. I didn't need to drill too deep. And now I just picked these spikes up from Amazon, and they were one of the cheaper options, so I don't really care that they're red. So I decided to go with them. And they're pretty simple. You just need to put the spike in and then make sure it's seated and then twist. And you'll hear a click. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. And like if you want. Thanks.